Yeah, guys, and that church is basically run by nuns. I think there's one priest, but the majority, there's like they live out the back, I guess a nunnery you could call it, which is what it is. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you a look at that church as well. I think that's pretty much it, guys, of all the areas I've hit church-wise. There's no church left to show you, so yeah, I'm just gonna walk back through the park, and that'll be my final vlog of Wieluń. So I hope you've enjoyed it so far anyway. And as they're across the road, if you're on Twitter, you can see hashtag Wieluń there. So guys, if you're looking to come to Poland, probably your best bet, well, depending on what country you're living in, but if you're in Britain or if you're in Ireland, then Ryanair fly out of every airport in Ireland pretty much to every airport in Poland. It used to be Wizz Air, but they don't do that anymore for some reason. I think the competition was kind of you know, shut out by Ryanair. So yeah, so basically any one of those airlines, well, Ryanair, you can fly with LOT as well, but it's quite expensive. Aer Lingus fly out from every airport in Ireland to pretty much every airport in Poland too. So yeah, but definitely should definitely check out Poland, the different areas. And if you're here, then I would recommend eating pierogi. You could eat kaszanka, you know, it's like a kind of sausage. Any kind of sausages really are nice. Gołąbki, they're pretty good. Serek, you know, white cheese, cottage cheese. What else? Żurek, nice soup with sausage as well. You could get that. For those of you who like to drink, Tiskie, Żywiec, Łomża, Kasztelan, all those beers. For those of you who like drinking vodka, Żubrówka or Krupnik, it's pretty nice as well. The remnants of the fairground left from yesterday. Yesterday's party. Actually, the weekend party. More nice flowers.
Na to czekacie? No co kurwa, co? No trzeba pójść i zawołać w takim razie, a nie czekać.
Here you've got the building of the former castle. Can't really get too close to it, but it says nowadays the seat of Wieluń district authorities and local administration of the commune. During the time of Casimir the Great, it was erected in the place of a wooden stronghold. The castle was destroyed during a fire in 1791. In 1843, a new neoclassical palace was erected on the lower parts of the castle walls. So that's this building that I'm going to show you now in 1 second. basically like the town hall, really. So it's that one there. Yeah, it's here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Friends of Travel Your Own Path. The only thing I've got left to say is, ooh, there's one more church that I forgot to shoot. So I'll give one walk across. I actually forgot to do that earlier on. So I'll try and bring you in for a quick look around. I knew there was one thing I forgot to do here, so we'll get in there fast before my battery dies. Like I said, travel your own path. Please, if you like the content that you're seeing, that you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. This is the church. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos if you can, and yeah, we can do with all the support and help we can get to grow the channel, which will mean more videos for you guys, and try and bring you to a lot of places kind of unknown as well. You know, that's kind of my aim with this channel, to shoot videos of unknown places, and I don't think that Wieluń in Poland has been shot much, so I think that's a good start. And I also think that I didn't do was there anywhere else? So I was gonna say, actually, I think that I've covered most of Wieluń, and yeah, I don't think I did too bad on this trip with all the things. And I'm gonna go inside now, so I won't be able to talk, so I'll just okay. And like so many other times, I won't go inside because it's actually locked, unfortunately, so I'll shoot the outside again. That's what I love about shooting videos, is you never know what's going to happen, and traveling in general, you never really know what's going to happen. So like that, now I wanted to bring you inside the church and I can't, so you know, that's okay too. There'll always be a next time. So guys, I'll see you back in Ireland for the next vlog, which will be the Cliffs of Moher or Dingle Bay or Valencia, one of those couple in the next week or so. Okay, stay tuned. See you later.